What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bria. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys my first wash and retwist after 4 weeks. Yes, I have made it to 4 weeks and it's finally time to wash and retwist my hair. I'm so excited. You guys, I did not know how much I would miss washing my hair. Like, usually I wash my hair every 2 weeks when I was loose natural, but waiting a whole 4 weeks to wash my hair, I missed water hitting my scalp so much. So I really enjoyed getting my hair washed, which I never knew I really enjoyed getting my hair washed until I had to wait to do so. I mean, I know I probably could have did it sooner, but I wanted to wait 4 weeks. And it just felt so good for the water to actually hit my scalp. Oh my gosh. So I'm shampooing with Design Essentials. I don't know which one this one is. Either I know I did oat and honey, oat and henna, or something like that. Anyway, I'm using all Design Essential products, the shampoo, the cleansing, and the conditioner. So I did not experience any unraveling except for the back. The top did not unravel. The longer parts of my hair did not unravel, but it was to be expected that the back was going to unravel because that is my weak area in the back, and it always has been for years. I will talk more about that in different videos, but yes, I was expecting that the back would unravel once it got shampooed. So first I did the cleansing shampoo first, and then I followed up with just a normal shampoo, and then I am going to condition after I do this. And it just felt so great to scratch my scalp. My scalp was screaming for soap and water. You guys, I'm not being afraid. I'm really making sure that I really get in there and wash all parts of my scalp. Like, I'm really making sure I get in there good because I want to get everything out. I have not been putting anything in my scalp really for the past 4 weeks, except for just, you know, spraying some oil here and there. So here we move on to me retwisting my hair. I cannot believe I have a little bit of new growth. Like, I was expecting less new growth, but I have some new growth. And you really can see like how much your hair grows once you're not touching it. And I had to wrap some of the loose hairs around the lock because there was a lot of like loose hairs on different locks. So I had to do a lot of like wrapping those little strands, loose strands. And here I'm just, before I twist it or before I comb the roots of it, I'm oiling my scalp with castor oil. And then taking my, I'm retwisting it with just some coconut cream. Not coconut cream, it's a coconut oil. But it's like in a cream form. Anyway, I love it. And it's very lightweight. So I'm just retwisting it with that and spraying some water. And that's about it. No gel. And yeah, we just getting down and dirty. And I didn't have to separate a lot of the locks because they were still pretty much separated. It wasn't like I had to like redo my partings or really separate it too much. It was just a couple strands, you know, here and there that got tangled. And I was showing you guys a close-up because I want to show you how I'm wrapping these loose hairs around the lock. And you see that right there? Yeah, so I'm just going to take that and just wrap it around because I want it to just merge together as it continues to lock up. Let me tell you, the first 4 weeks, the first month has been real. I mean, real. For me, I'm a girl that likes to have my hair crispy every single day, and when it looks a mess, I'm ready to change it because I do my own hair. I've been doing my own hair for years, and this has been a struggle to not just have my hair looking the way I want it to look. So it has been a learning process, and it has been working on me, because it has been working on me for me to just accept the way that it is, and just to wear my hair and just, it is what it is, and just embrace the whole thing. So for the first 4 weeks I was wearing a wig, but after this retwist I am deciding to not put back on the wig and just really embrace this process, really, and just accept myself, you know, for what I am and what I look like without added hair or whatever. And this video is sped up, but it didn't take me as long as I thought it would take me to retwist, especially being that this was my first time retwisting my own hair. But it didn't take me as long as I thought. So here's another one that has loose strands, and you see that it already started tangling at the root, like it started like knotting up at the root already after 4 weeks. I'm just taking some more of these loose strands and just wrapping it, just showing you guys again how I do that. And palm rolling it to the ends all the way down. I know some people say they don't like to palm roll, but for me, honey, my hair is very thick and I like to palm roll it. So here is the finished look, you guys. I'm all retwisted up, clipped down.
The finished retwisted and left that on like a whole day. I let it air dry. I didn't put no blow dry to it or get under the dryer. I just let it air dry. So now let's see what it's looking like the next day. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Yeah. I twisted everything going like this way to wear it like that, and then this side go like that. I need to get comfortable with seeing myself like this, because I just see all face. So I need to get comfortable with seeing all face and not worry about hair and length, and just embrace this process. But I'm trying to get there. So yeah, so this is where we are. I'll probably pin this back and fluff this out. And I might put a picture at the end of this. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, my retwist video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.